Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload zip files on GitHub. If you want to quickly upload a project to GitHub without using Git commands, one of the easiest methods is uploading your files directly from a zip archive. This is especially helpful if you downloaded a project, exported files from another tool, or packaged your code into a zip file and want to add it to a repository. First, open your browser and go to the GitHub website. Sign into your account on GitHub. Once you log in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard, where you can view repositories, projects, and activity. Next, you'll need a repository where your zip file contents will be uploaded. You can either open an existing repository or create a new one. Inside your repository page on GitHub, look for the Add File button. Click Add File, then choose Upload Files. This opens the GitHub Upload interface where you can add files to your repository. Then simply drag and drop the zip file into the GitHub Upload area. Alternatively, you can click Choose Your Files and manually select them from your computer. GitHub will automatically prepare these files to be added to your repository. Once the files are uploaded to the interface, GitHub will show a preview of everything being added. Take a moment to check that all files were uploaded correctly, that no important folders are missing, that the project structure looks correct. This step helps ensure your repository stays organized. Before completing the upload, you'll need to add a commit message. A commit message describes what changes you are adding to the repository. After entering the commit message, click Commit Changes. GitHub will now upload and save the files to your repository. Once completed, you'll see the files appear on the repository homepage. Your project is now stored and accessible on GitHub. By extracting the zip file, uploading the contents through the repository interface, and committing the changes, you can quickly add entire projects to GitHub without using command line tools. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.